This is a parallelogram. Basically, this is a parallelogram, and parallelogram area of a parallelogram is base into height. So parallelogram it is because basically if we take this out, so this is a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram, but if we change the position of this, it becomes a rectangle. So it becomes base and height. So the area of parallelogram becomes like this. So we can explain how this area of parallelogram formula has come. Like, area of obtuse triangle, half into base into height. So area of an obtuse triangle, this is an obtuse triangle. So half, so two triangles make a parallelogram. So you can see since two triangles make a parallelogram, so the formula parallelogram is base into height. So we have to do just half. So half into base into height. So this is how we can get area of obtuse triangle. So all these different formulas of mensuration, children can verify it here. So there is a quadrilateral which has formed from the midpoint of quadrilateral. So you can see that there is a quadrilateral, A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral, and the midpoint of that quadrilateral has been used to form another quadrilateral, which is PQRS. So quadrilateral formed by midpoint of a quadrilateral can be explained. Point theorem. This is like midpoint theorem. Midpoint is if you take a midpoint of these are we have taken the midpoint, and so this line and this line is parallel line. So midpoint of two sides is parallel to the third side. So these are parallel and these two are parallel, and this is half of this. So this children can actually understand.